Better focus on me. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber, and if not, thanks for coming back to my channel and clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys an apartment tour because I finally took down all my birthday decor because my birthday just passed. Yay, finally 20. So if you guys want to see where I'm living and what my apartment looks like, it's finally done after moving in and everything, then just keep watching. And also don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. So this is my kitchen. It is not the cleanest right now because we have a lot of stuff going on, but this is our kitchen. We have some sauces and oil sprays and oils right here, some knives, some of them are dirty, and then this is where we have like our serving spoons, and this is our stove. We cook, we have a microwave up top, this oven in here, and then we also have some drawers right here where we keep like our mitts, and also down here is where we keep pots and pans. Then we get to this little Keurig section right here with our coffee, tea. I also have my little skinny syrups like I posted in a few of my videos. I use them with my coffee just because I don't really like creamer that much, so I just pop those in there and then I'm good. Got some Ziploc bags, more storage space down here for like food. I have some snacks up here. I have some popcorn, bread, veggie chips, and then Coke Zero, you know, every once in a while. And then we have our spices, and then some more pantry space up here. And then we got some other stuff up here. These are my protein bars. We got our fridge really full just because there's 5 of us and we all just went grocery shopping. It's definitely usually not this full, but it's really full right now. And then we got our freezer. We have some dishes in here. We also have more dishes in there. And then down here is cleaning supplies and more like Tupperware and dishes in here. Toaster, bananas, we have some oats, chia seed, paper towels, dishwasher, silverware in here, more Tupperware, and like my food weighing scale in there, and then my other roommate has her food in there, trash can. Here's a little dining area. We have another little mini fridge for some food because there's 5 of us. Like I said, there's a lot of us. We don't like share everything just because that'd be too hard to like figure that out. And so this is our little dining area. And this is our kitchen table. Our kitchen table with our little Lazy Susan. And this is my stuff. I'm doing some work. Our little bar area. We have a ton of wine glasses and shot glasses, if you can't tell. Here is our living room. Looks like this. So it's pretty boho themed, and my mom helped decorate it really cute. We have the couch, the little L-shaped. We have some board games right here. Some candles, you know, because it's fall, hot girl fall. And then we have this little bucket underneath. We used to put blankets in there, but I think it's too small. And then we have this mirror right here. This little fireplace. An outdoor patio. See what this mat. This is what it looks like. And then we also have another side, which is over there. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like from here. We go back in. This is our TV stand. And then we have a communal desk out here. And then this is my other roommate's room. Not really going to go in there. But here are some bar stools for the little bar area. And that's pretty much the main. Here were our cabinets, and we're all just sharing. We all have different spaces for like our towels and washcloths and stuff. And then here are like toiletries, like toilet paper, trash bags. That's my other roommate's closet because 3 of us are in this room. And then here's our bathroom. So here's our bathroom. The toilet, of course. Little succulents. And then we have this little picture up here, this towel, and then all of our toiletries down there. And yeah, of course we both have some stuff in here. last but not least, so this is our closet. So I got my clothes folded up on the side, and then these clothes, and then I have my sweaters up here, and then I have this Alex drawer down here, and then my shoes down there. My little section right here with my bags and hats. Then I have my makeup, and then all these drawers I have like textbooks and office supplies and stuff like that. And then here is my bed with my wall. And then also this little light turns on. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I don't have a desk in my room. Only one of my roommates has a desk, which is why we have that communal desk out here, just to make it easier. But honestly, I prefer doing homework on my bed anyway, so it's cool. And that's basically it. It's pretty short. I just want to show you guys what my apartment looks like this year, because I was really excited to move into an apartment. And it's really easy to make healthy choices and see what's going into your food, and I just love it. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more college related apartment videos, let me know. Just put a little comment down below, and also don't forget to hit that like button again, and as always, hit that subscribe button. Bye guys, thanks for watching.